Create in me a clean heart. Hi guys, it's your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring you the stir-fry kelewele recipe. Okay, enough with the boring kelewele recipe. So let's go. So in a bowl, I have neatly cut my ripe plantains. So I add my salt to taste, some chili pepper, and some Kelewele spice. So I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out, okay? So now I gently add some water to it and then mix it for it to incorporate each other. So whilst doing this, I have some preheated oil in my skillet. So I will gently add my plantains and then begin to fry. But please do this on a medium heat because it can easily burn, okay? And then don't forget to be stirring it. So kelewele will always be my favorite street snack. So I always prepare kelewele and then I have different recipes for my kelewele. So today I am sharing with you the stir fried kelewele recipe. Okay. Sometimes we need to add some color to our kelewele recipe. So you can see at this moment my kelewele is ready. I want my golden brown, just like you said, yellowish fried. Yes, I don't want it too fried. Okay, so our kelewele is ready, so I'm taking it out from the oil and then I'll set it aside. But in my skillet I am going to saute some vegetables. You can choose to use any vegetables of your choice. You can add chicken, gizzard, you can add sausages, you can add eggs, whatever you want, just add it to it. Okay, so we add little seasoning to taste, which is optional. Now our stir fry is ready, so I will gently add my kelewele to the stir fry. And voila! Our stir fry kelewele is ready. Just look at how beautiful it is. So inviting, mouth-watering, and colorful. Enough with the boring kelewele. Let's add some color to our kelewele, okay? Yeah, so whenever I have a party, I do this for a starter, and just look at how it is. Everybody will be like, Evie, just give me some more. So I want you to try this recipe, okay? So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord and it's so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you so much, friends and family. Thank you for everybody, my new subscribers, my returning viewers. God bless you. God bless you. So if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like and comment, okay? So let's enjoy some stir fry kelewele and see you in our next video. Bye bye.